So let's have a look at the signage on the van. Finally took it around to Signs and Graphics based down here in Bangor. So I got the front of the van looking good. You definitely not miss it anyway. That yellow or that green definitely pops on the dark background. Now the camera kind of is a little shade darker than what the grey actually is. So one thing that I can say is that in the winter time, what I'm noticing on these kind of cloudy days is that the grey looks a lot darker than it actually is. In the sunlight, that really pops as a nice light grey, and then the yellow or the green really contrasts against the grey background. So ultimately for me, there's a couple of things that I was trying to bear in mind with the signage on the van. One, John's Lawn Mowing. That in itself says everything that I want the customer to know about my services. The second thing is my mobile number. I just want my number to be as big is the second thing to notice. Name, number. Now if somebody took any other time or any more time to look at the signage, then it's a bonus. Ultimately 1, 2, that's all I want them to see. The rest is kind of just trying to catch the attention. So as you're driving down the road, that will certainly catch somebody's eye, not necessarily force them to look at it, but it might get them to consider looking at those details. So a couple of things about this. Wanted my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and the Lawn Care Legends logo on there. This is a personal touch for me, is having the powered by Kawasaki, Hansa, Billy Goat, WeBang, Ferris, Aaron's, Echo and Stihl. And for me that's more like a badge of the kind of equipment that I use in the business, but from a distance it's not something that a customer is going to pay much attention to. It's more just a personal thing that I wanted to achieve with that. Got the website on there, commercial and residential. On the front of the trailer, I personally love having this at the front of the trailer in big vinyl, Lawn Care Legends. And then the icons, again, number and business name. So yeah, all the colour, paintwork being done, the investment in the business, that really polishes off what the image of the business should look like. The lights were put in on Monday, but they haven't been wired up. So there was a double booking in the business, so I'm going back in on Friday to get the last of the wiring done. But combined with the interior of the van, everything's starting to match up. You know, so now I feel like the inside of the van, the layout of the tools and equipment is organized, trying to be as efficient as possible, but that matches inside finally matches the outside, and the signage there is just a great way to catch the eye of potential customers when I'm on site or pulling up into a certain area. Try to be as professional, get the right professional image of the business that represents me and my business. So there you have it. Hope you like it.